Morning students, our today's topic is inventory control. Managing inventories. Inventory refers to the goods and materials that the business holds for the ultimate purpose of repair and sale. Inventory management is primarily about specifying the size and placement of stocked goods. Inventory management is required at different locations within facility and with multiple locations of a supplying network to protect the regular and planned course of production against the random disturbance of running out of materials or goods. Importance of inventory in housekeeping. Current stock, that is the stock which we are using. Inventory helps to know the profile of current stock of goods and materials required for operations. Support production. Proper inventory do not allow shortage of goods, so do it protects for final product and earn revenue. Increase revenue. Due to regular supply of required materials, all the operations will be held on time and increase room and other revenues. Minimizing workload. Reduce market fluctuate effect. Effective use of working capital. Reduces the risk of loss. Better service to guests. Increases goodwill. Recycled inventory. Recycled inventory, like all linen, are calculated as per the following: one for laundry, one for store, one for pantry, one in use, and one for emergency. Non-recycled inventory items. Non-recycled inventory items include according to average use percentage of item and by keeping in mind of maximum occupancy percentage. Lead time should be taken. Examples of these items are cleaning supplies and equipments, guest supplies, printing and stationery materials. Steps to manage inventory in housekeeping. Step 1. In order to manage the inventories, first of all, the housekeeper must determine the par levels for each recycled inventory and non-recycled inventory item used in hotel. Step 2. The physical inventory of all items in use and in storage and develop plan and policies to control storage, issue and movement of items after all maintained records. Step 3. Effective calculation of recycled and non-recycled inventory. Step 4. Determine the days to consume. Example, goods like a item shop per average user is 300. Then calculate time, money and delivery of those materials. Step 5. Determine the number of items that should be in stock and calculate effectively and financially and record. Inventory items. Inventory levels for non-recycled items. The executive housekeeper is responsible for two types of inventories. First is recycled inventory. It includes linen equipments and some guest supplies like extra bed, iron, etc. The number of recycled items that must be on hand to ensure smooth operations is expressed as a par. It refers to the standard number of items that must be on hand to support daily routine housekeeping operations. Example, one par of linen is the total number of items needed to outfit all the hotel guest rooms once. Most sister hotels would wear 4 par of guest rooms linen, guest room, floor pantry, laundry and linen. The executive housekeeper must establish reasonable levels for both recycled and non-recycled inventories. Overstocking should be avoided, as it ties up cash and calls for a large storage area. There should be an effective purchasing system to consistently maintain the inventory levels set by the executive housekeeper. To maintain the inventory levels, the executive housekeeper needs to determine the par level of each inventory item. The executive housekeeper must establish reasonable levels for both recycled and non-recycled inventories. Overstocking should be avoided, as it ties up cash and calls for a larger storage area. There should be an effective purchasing system to consistently maintain the inventory levels set by the executive housekeeper. To maintain the inventory levels, the executive housekeeper needs to determine the par level for each inventory item.